Hiro-san.
Hey, good afternoon, everyone.
Good afternoon to you. What a great afternoon and a great recipe coming up. Hiro-san, tell us what we're doing today.
Today we're gonna make impossible, making JB tempura roll.
Yes, the impossible JB roll. And let's go through the ingredients first. I want to show everyone what we're talking about.
The main ingredients are here: black forest, salmon,
Okay.
and then cream cheese. Yes, and then of course sushi rice. And then here's a tempura butter and panko to make in the tempura.
Right.
And then I'm gonna use this one for garnish.
What is this now?
The beet sprout.
Beet sprout. Okay.
And then the soy glaze. This is for the on the top.
The top, right?
Yes.
So the reason why it's called the impossible JB tempura roll is because we are going to use an air fryer. This specifically is a comfy air fryer. So this is going to be interesting. There are 8 presets here, as you can see. And over here, there's a time dial right below that temperature dial. And this is how it's done. You just basically remove the basket. Here's a little button. This kind of releases the basket. And I have never seen anyone do a sushi roll with this particular unit. So that's why we're going to try the impossible JB tempura roll.
I have make roll long time already, you know. I forgot how to make
You forgot how to do it.
how to make sushi.
You should go back to your videos and kind of
Right?
go back and learn.
No, I have to learn self to look at the.
So some of you have been wanting a more healthier fried sushi roll. So this is going to be a first for us. We're going to show you if it can be done.
Right.
And of course, this is the Baccafrost salmon. We love Baccafrost. You guys haven't seen one of our videos before. To us, this is really the absolute best farm salmon. And a lot of people always say farm salmon isn't good. This is the best. And all sushi restaurants don't use wild salmon. They use farm salmon. This is very basic too, right here? Just
This is very basic.
JB, which is Japanese bagel roll. That's what JB stands for, yeah. You can also call this a Philly roll. That's what I've heard too. This thing is ready to go. We just want the outside to be crisp. So you said normally you fry it, what, 350, right? In the
About
restaurant?
to 350 temperature.
Okay, and how long do you normally fry it in the restaurant?
The JB tempura basically inside is not really going well done. 3 minutes to 4 minutes, not even 5 minutes.
Okay, let's try
Very
3
quick.
minutes.
Just on the outside, getting crunchy.
Okay.
That's it. So first step, I'm gonna put this one into the light tempura.
Yeah, normally you
Butter.
just dip it in tempura and then just fry it. We don't really even have this step of panko. But obviously you don't want this batter all wet and dripping all inside this basket.
Exactly.
But we're gonna try that later, right, Hiro?
Yeah, we're gonna do anyway without.
Let's see if you drip the batter inside here. What's
going on?
gonna come out? What the result's gonna be?
Okay. All right.
Okay.
And temperature going to 350.
Let's make it
This is
360.
60 here. And 10 minutes.
Probably less, maybe 5 minutes.
10 minutes.
And we'll check it from time to time. Okay. And this thing is great because it's oil free, as you can see. It just has a coil on top and it looks like it moves the heat all around. And there's an exhaust on the back. There's a little outlet here. You guys can see that?
This is out.
Yeah, that's what heat
Okay.
gets getting extracted out. So I don't know if there's not any kind of a preheat button. So if you're doing something for about 10 minutes, maybe add a couple of minutes on top of that, just to preheat it. Okay, this has been 4 minutes. Okay, interesting.
Yeah, it's gonna start to color getting brown.
All right, so the magic number in this case was 4 minutes, and this is what it looks like.
Yeah, this is 4 minutes.
And don't stick your hand in here.
No,
What
it's
Hiro's doing.
not hot. This one self is not hot.
Let me just show you what's underneath here. I was telling Hiro, there's a coil there. Looks like some kind of electrical coil, and it just blows a fan and just circulates. It's almost like a convection oven.
Okay.
All right, let's see how well it did. Okay, I can hear a little crunch on the outside.
You're crunchy outside.
Yeah.
The inside is totally raw.
Oh, that's perfect. Okay.
Maybe you can make a little bit more color. A little bit more brown is more.
So maybe another minute would be okay.
More like appetite, you know.
Yeah. Maybe 5 minutes then. So what's great about this, Hiro, also is it's very healthy, you know?
Yeah.
You don't have the
It's
oil.
not deep fry, so
Yeah, exactly, not deep fried.
not too much oil.
Okay, this looks good. However, we must try the traditional way and see what's going to happen. Okay?
Okay.
All right, let's do it.
Okay, next one is without panko, only tempura butter.
Right.
Yeah.
Traditional way, we call it.
Traditional way.
In the air fryer. We have no idea what's going to happen here. We're going to see in about 5 minutes. If you guys want more information on this beautiful salmon, check out the link below inside the description box.
Okay.
Okay, good luck, Hiro.
Sure.
Don't know.
Good luck to air fryer.
Good luck to Comfy.
Coffee. Yes.
Okay.
So, of course.
Now I asked Hiro if he needed to make this batter a little bit thicker. He said no, just keep it this way. So, like I said, you know, this batter might just be dripping all off the roll. I have to see and find out. At 360.
60.
Okay.
Maybe 7 minutes.
Okay. All right. We are just at 5 minutes. Let's take a look, Hiro.
Oh wow.
How's it look?
Good.
Is it crunchy?
Oh, but it's sticking at the
Sticking?
bottom.
But do you need more time on that or no?
I think just a little bit, a few more minutes.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay. So this is after a few more minutes. You can feel the heat coming up from there. Oh, here, let's
Yeah.
try to take it out.
Oh, it's very hot.
It's very hot.
Yeah. And it's stick in the bottom already. See?
Yeah.
You need to slowly take it out. Okay. Yeah, stick in the bottom.
Stick on
like
the bottom,
this,
right?
like this.
Okay, let's look
The
at
one
the
side
bottom.
is up.
Let's take a look at the bottom here.
Bottom like that.
Okay. How's the outside? Is it pretty crunchy?
Kind of soft,
A little soft.
not really crunchy.
You see everything's still steaming. Kind of looks like soy paper, like you made it with soy paper. Okay, can't wait to try this texture and see what it's like.
Next one is salmon skin.
Salmon skin.
Yes.
All right, let's check it out. Let's do it, Hiro.
Okay. I'm gonna use this salmon skin.
Can I get to eat this for filming for you, Hiro?
Yes.
Okay.
Like that.
Now, do you put it top or bottom, facing up or facing bottom?
I
The
think
skin,
meat's down.
the meat down, right?
Yeah, skin. I mean this one. Not
Yeah, yeah. All right. We don't know. Never done this before.
Like this.
Okay, and 400 degrees for 10 minutes and see what happens.
Okay.
Okay. Okay, it's about 10 minutes.
Almost 10 minutes.
Yeah, I'm really interested to see.
Let me check.
Oh, wow! You guys can hear the thing sizzle.
Yeah, it looks good.
I don't know how crunchy it is. How's it crunchy? Oh, wow, super crunchy.
Crunchy already.
Look, timer just went off.
Yeah,
Okay, Hiro.
I think 10 minutes is okay.
Nice. Oh, it
Oh,
comes out.
nice. Look.
Take a look at that thing. Still bubbling. This thing is ingenious.
Right. Looks good.
Right?
Mm-hmm.
So simple. You don't need to fry it. No oil involved. Oh, it's great. It's got that Teflon coating, so nothing sticks on the inside.
Right. And then of course, oil is coming down. You know.
Oh, yeah, natural oils from the salmon. Okay, well, let's hear you cut it. I want to hear that thing crunch.
It's crunchy.
How about this? Can you make a roll only this long, like a short one?
This way?
Yeah. Because look, we have all this fruit to eat.
Mm.
Just like this one, right? Like a little small one.
Okay.
Oh,
For you?
nice. For me?
Yeah.
Never had a man give me a roll just like that. Who needs flowers, right, Hiro? And we have a salmon skin hand roll. Thank you so much. Okay. Well, let's take a look at this before we close the video. Beautiful stuff. Really better than I thought. Can't wait to try other recipes with this. From the beautiful salmon skin hand roll that you just made to the JB Tempura. One is with panko, one is without. Of course, the one with panko is better. With the wet batter, not so much. Yeah, it can still be done, but maybe needs a little bit more time. Well, thank you to Comfy.
Yeah.
And Hiro-san, thank you so much.
Thank you very much.
If you guys like the video, give it a thumbs up, comment below, share it. Don't forget to subscribe. And we'll see you very, very soon.
Thank you.
Okay, are you ready?
Mhm.
All right, let's give it a shot.
Okay. I'll go to the panko one.
Okay.
Yeah, this one after I made it, it's a little bit sitting for a while. But this one's okay.
Crunchy still,
I mean, yeah, right now is of course, after I made how long already? Over more 20 minutes, so it's kind of little
soften up a little
soft
bit.
now.
Yeah.
But when I made it, it was crunchy.
Yeah, it was really crunchy. Yeah, yeah. And we made.
About the tempura side.
Okay.
So when I made it, it was kind of soggy, right?
Right.
It's just, this one also, after I made it, it's already 10-15 minutes left already passed.
Yeah.
But tempura crunchiness is a little less.
Probably need a little more time, I would say, right?
Maybe I should cook more if I do this.
Yeah.
Even the bottom side is kind of messed up, but
Right, it was sticking to the bottom.
and also this one also maybe just a little more few minutes to make it a little bit more brown.
Yeah,
It's I think better.
yeah, true.
Mhm.
I'm gonna try this one, your salmon
Yeah,
skin roll.
sounds good.
Mm.
Salmon skin is okay, right?
Mhm.
We just made it.
You guys can probably hear that. Really, really crunchy. I like it. I like the salmon skin.
So process with the panko, maybe just a little more, few more minutes.
Mm-hmm.
Then if you want to more cook inside, maybe a little bit more. I think
Yeah.
now the outside is getting burned out before cooking inside.
Right.
The tempura one is a little bit concerned about that because the bottom side was sticking the bottom. You know? So
We can try some more recipes and see what else we can do with
yeah,
this.
next time we're going to make something else
Yeah.
with that.
Here, thank you so much.
Thank you very much.